Bro, I'm gonna watch this dude eat all this chicken, bro.
Today, we're gonna be attempting to conquer a mountain of fried chicken. This right here is 45 pieces of extra crispy fried chicken. An assortment of thighs, breast, wings, and drumsticks totaling over 12 pounds, including the bone. And if all is consumed, we will be in the ballpark of 13,500 calories. That is a lot of calories. Alright guys, but before we get to this mountain of chicken, I got something I gotta show you real quick.
You heard that? 13,500 calories. That is sick, bro. That is sick. Bro, that's sick, bro. Wow. Wow.
5 pieces of extra crispy fried chicken. Obviously, I won't know the exact weight of how much food I'm attempting to consume today because the weight includes the bone, which I will not be eating. All right, so without further ado, I'm starving and I haven't had fried chicken in probably over a year. Not part of my normal diet, but boy, we're gonna make this part of the diet today. Let's eat this chicken.
Oh my God, with water though? I can't eat no chicken with no water, bro. I can't eat dry chicken, bro. That'd be torture. I'd be throwing up and shit. I can't eat chicken with no water, bro. You gotta give me some Kool-Aid, bro. You gotta give me some Kool-Aid, some apple juice, something, bro. Some water. Just give me some water. Something with a little sugar in it, man. God damn. And no sauce. I need chicken. I need sauce for my chicken. I don't care. I need sauce for my chicken. I don't give a damn what you need. I need sauce for my chicken, bro. You better give me them sauces. I be having a fight with the workers and shit. They be trying to give me 1 packet of sauce for chicken. I'm like, you better give me some more of that. I'm not playing with you. I look at them just like that and they give me more.
He's right there.
Oh my God. That's a heart attack, bro. You can't tell me you cannot force me to eat that, bro. This is torture. Shout out to Matt Stonie. This is torture. No sauce. I got a heart attack just watching this, bro. My chest started hurting. Ooh. How much grease and fat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro. Oh my God.
At 7:50, almost 8 minutes. 12 down, 4 of the way there. Holy crap, this will take forever.
I don't know what he just said.
So, last time I wanted to do a small little bone or I breast too, so.
Oh my. I'm not eating for a week. He probably balanced it out by not eating for a week. You know? Or 13 days. That's what I would do. That's how you.
This spot, we're in the heat spot. It's a pretty warm day here in San Jose. I think it's like 80 something outside. Close to 90. It's hot.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that piece. Holy crap.
The fucking bread is getting out of the chicken.
22
pieces, bro.
1835. It should be around 20, almost halfway there. All right, big chicken breast. Here we go.
Nah, that's a good piece. That's a good piece, bro. That's a good piece. Oh man, that tastes like that look like a good piece. What if this is Popeye's chicken?
Another breast.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Another breast. Damn. How many got left? A 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's 15.
11, 12, 13, only 14 left.
See what I said? I said 15.
Huh? It's like 60% of the way through. I guess I just did all the big ones first. All right. I don't know why I was getting away with it.
That's that. That's
salty.
man. How do you sleep knowing you ate that much, man? I can't even sleep. I would not be able to sleep at night. I wouldn't.
I'm drinking a lot of water. 7, 8,
Knowing
9,
I ate that
10
much,
left.
I won't be able to sleep.
Where'd you go? How many? What's that? Sorry. 34, 30. All right. Let's get this under 45. 1 minute a week.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Pieces of chicken. I gotta see the ending, man. I gotta see the ending. He finished it. Why? What?
Cleaning the road, but I was on the clock. I don't know if there was time.
43 pieces.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That's a lot. Oh my god.
That dude's stomach is about to explode, bro. Oh my god. That dude's stomach is about to explode. Oh, sheesh. Woo! Respect to Matt Stone, y'all. Go check out his channel, Matt Stonie. Oh my god. That's a lot of pieces. 43 pieces of chicken. Whoa, I don't know what to say, but yo, respect to that guy, bro. Respect to that guy.